I was supposed to paint a self-portrait. I do that a lot in college, but I don't have anything to say about myself mostly. I always tell people the truth about my life and about myself, although they never tell me the truth about themselves. Not everyone. I can understand honesty is something hard for people. What is my true colors? What am I made of? I know I have a skin color that's not very welcome in this world, but I don't hate it. I love being black. I love being Haitian. I don't know. I love being a man. When society allows me to be a man. I don't paint myself because I don't really think it says anything about me. I paint things I see because I feel that speaks more about what I see in the world. I guess that's what an artist is supposed to do. What do you see in the world? What would you like to change if you could? I guess it's like playing God. But everybody looks for God someplace. I spent many years trying to believe, to seek, to understand. I always end up with my heart broken because I can't find what I'm looking for. I don't know. When you're taken away from a place that you were born, learn a new language, you feel cast out, not understood. So I embrace a lot of new things. I like to paint women. Women are strong. I grew up around a lot of women. My father was never around, so I never knew him until I don't remember what age, but it doesn't matter, does it? My mother was a strong woman. So I love to paint women with beautiful, bright colors. Women are fragile. They can teach you so much about yourself. I don't know. Perhaps my self-portrait is in the work that I create. I don't try to sell my work. I just want to paint. Why am I sitting here painting my face? I don't have a canvas right now. I'm running out of paint. People don't think it's important to have something to say as a painter. To be able to use paint, create something, say something. Do people listen? I think in my work, what you see is the life that I live. I use bright colors because my life is full of pain, depression, misunderstandings, failure, hatred. You know, sometimes you feel like nobody accepts you for who you are. I never asked to be born with sickle cell, so why do I always have to pay a price for having it? Sickle cell disease is very painful. It's like broken glass going through your veins. It can come at any point, take away a lot of your dreams, put your life on hold for a long time. I'm not sure. What else am I supposed to say to people for them to be able to accept that I just want to live? I want to paint. I want to enjoy life just like the rest of them. What does it take to look at me as a human being? What kind of mask should I wear? How fake should I be? How many lies should I tell you before you accept the truth about me? You can tell people the truth so many times, but they only believe lies. I like speaking honestly. That gets me into a lot of trouble. I fall in love so many times, but every time I love someone, I try to be honest with them. People are so afraid to love. People are so afraid of everything. I'm not very happy with the way the world is, but you still can find good people in it. Good things, good food. Food is something that I really enjoy. When you have good food, Haitian food, Jamaican food, raisin ice cream. There's so much about me that I want to share with someone. But for now on, I want to focus sharing myself through my paintings. This is why I'm recording this the way I am. Because from now on, I'm only going to speak through paint. I don't want to burden anyone with who I am anymore. I don't want to impose on anyone. I don't want to ask anyone to accept me for who I am. All I want is for people to look at my work and see what it says to them. Si Haitian ye, ou ka kompon Creole, ou ka kompon se un ti moun ki te fait Haïti. Ba gen chwa. Vin nan peyi isi. M perdi maman. M gon maladi ki ennuyan. Mais m travay di. M fè sa m kapab. M gan pil moun ki rayisan. Yo rayi ou pas ou pa va aksepte pou perdi. I don't like to lose. I like to fight. I'm a fighter. I've been fighting all my life. So, this is the first look into who Hertz Nazaire is and why I paint. I don't paint to get famous. I don't paint to get rich. I paint because I want people to understand there's something in this world that is far beyond understanding. You have to be a spiritual person to really appreciate art. Religion, that's questionable, but spiritual, to believe in the human soul, that's special. I want people to try to understand themselves a little better instead of lying to others about who they are. We'll talk again, and perhaps some other time you'll see a different color. I don't know. I like my face like this. That's why I don't draw self-portraits. I don't find my face very interesting. When I wake up in the morning and look at the mirror, I say, damn. Not damn, you're fine, but damn, you again. You know? Sometimes you get tired of looking at the same person every day. You want to be different. You want to do different things. You want to experience different things without limitations. It's late, so good night.